In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Kia Borrego key fob. This key fob here was used between 2009 and 2011 and takes one of these CR2032 batteries. To open it up, we will first look to the top of the device. You can see there's that little indentation there. I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver. You could also use a coin, just something that can fit in there so that you can twist to crack this thing open. You can see it's opening up on the sides now. You can just pull it apart. You can twist, and we're going to put this thing back together at the end. So if this thing falls off, if the circuit board's coming out, that doesn't matter. It's actually easier if the circuit board comes out, because you might open it up and it's going to look like this, and we're going to push the battery to get it out, and this little rubber wall kind of makes that difficult. So what we actually want to do is kind of take this circuit board out very carefully, just like that. There we go. Now hold it from the sides, just gently push the battery up until you can remove it with your fingers. As you can see, we got a CR2032 battery. When you're putting a new battery in, make sure this positive side goes face down. Just gently slide it back into place. You can now set this piece back into the little rubber part here. And now we're going to take this ring and just set it into place. You can see there are these little kind of teeth that hold on to this, that fit right in there. You'll find it just sits, it finds where it wants to go, and it just sits in place like that. And now we just click the back into place, and you are done. I hope this helped you out, and if it did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And for more information on how to change the batteries of any of your key fobs for any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.